Your desktop will look like this. Firstly, hide all the icons on the desktop. Go to Taskbar settings and turn off all these icons. Make sure that you select this one to never. Right-click on the taskbar. Now go to the toolbar and click on Links. Now drag it to the Windows icons. Then set the icons as shown. Go back to the taskbar settings and turn on these options. Now go to the Microsoft Store. Search for Lively Wallpaper. Install the Lively wallpaper and then launch it. Go to Settings. Now, set this setting as clear. I will recommend to choose Pause here. Go to Themes and click on this fluid theme. Now go to your browser and download Rainmeter from here. Download the theme from this mega file. Navigate to your Downloads folder. Now install the Rainmeter as shown. Unload all the skins. Extract this theme file. Go to Skins and install these Rainmeter skins. Go to More folder and copy everything. Paste it in the Rainmeter skins folder. Go to the Rainmeter. Load the time and date. Now load Visualizer and set its settings as shown. Now set the widgets as shown. So it's finally done. Enjoy your clean, minimal and cool desktop. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.